Best YouTube business ideas for 2025. Turn your channel into a profitable business description. Thinking about starting a YouTube channel or turning your current one into a real business? In this video, we're diving into the best YouTube business ideas for 2025 that are practical, beginner-friendly, and built to last. Recreating videos for fun or already have an audience. These ideas will help you grow your channel, reach more people, and build multiple income streams beyond just ad revenue. Here's what you'll discover. We're a beginner from tutorials and reviews to selling digital products or offering services. There's a business model here for everyone. Timestamps, y'all. Welcome and what to expect. 1:15. Why YouTube is a smart platform to build a business. 3:30. Idea number 1. Educational and how-to channels. 5:45. Idea number 2. Product reviews with affiliate links. 07:30. Idea number 3. Create and sell digital products. 9:50. Idea number 4. Offer coaching or consulting. 12:10. Quick recap and next steps. Pro tip. Don't wait for everything to be perfect. Start creating, share what you know, and grow as you go. Your future audience is waiting. Let me know if you like a custom script, video title ideas, or a thumbnail caption to go with this.